Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the overhead press, a fantastic exercise for building strong shoulders and upper body strength. Let's break it down step by step. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Grab a barbell with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Lift the barbell to shoulder height, keeping your elbows tucked under the bar. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes and stand tall. Your wrists should be straight and the bar should rest on the base of your palms. This sets the foundation for a solid overhead press. Take a deep breath, tighten your core and press the bar directly overhead. As you lift, ensure your head moves slightly backward, allowing the bar to clear your face. Fully extend your arms at the top, but avoid locking out your elbows. Control the descent by bringing the bar back down to shoulder height. Keep your core engaged and maintain proper wrist alignment throughout the movement. Perform your desired number of repetitions, exhaling as you press the bar up and inhaling as you lower it down. Remember to keep the movement smooth and controlled. There you have it, the overhead press. It's a great exercise to strengthen your shoulders and build that upper body power. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep pressing overhead.